Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Solarsoft Thong 2. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Solarsoft Thong 2 thongs or flip-flops, and this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, Euro size 44, Brazil size 42, 28 centimeters, and it's in the black anthracite white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by pulling open the box flap. And let's tip the Thong 2 thongs out from its box packaging and making sure nothing else is left behind. We can close the box back up and set it to the side, so setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the Nike Solarsoft Thong 2 in the black anthracite white colorway. So just spreading the contents from the box packaging across the tabletop so you have a full and clear view of all the items from its box packaging. So let's first take a look at this hanger. So there's a Nike branded hanger made out of card or paper fiber, and just giving you a look at the details of the card hanger for the thongs. And now we can set that to the side, so just setting that on the right hand side of the tabletop. And let's focus on the left thong first, so just setting the right thong in the background, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look at the thong. And now taking a much closer in look at the details of the thong. So it is very light in weight, being made out of foam, or mostly foam, and giving you a look at its details. As you can see, there is a Squeeze Me Solarsoft sticker on it, and there is actually the Solarsoft details molded into the side of the thong. And let's squeeze the footbed of the thong so you can see it is quite squeezable, and it does spring back into shape instantly. So once again, that Squeeze Me Nike Solarsoft sticker, and just squeezing down on the sticker. So as we move towards the back, just giving you an overall look, so you can see the anthracite footbed as well as the black lower part of the sole, and of course the foot strap as well. And taking a look directly from the back, right there, keeping my fingers out of the way so you have a full and clear look at the details of the Thong 2. And back to the front again, so you can see that it does have these horizontal channels and grooves right across the footbed of the flip-flop. And now taking a close-up look at the foot strap itself. So it is made out of rubber, and we can see there is some circular texturing pattern on the upper side of the foot strap, and of course we see the Nike branding as well on a rectangular patch with rounded corners. And taking a look at the underside, we can see there are horizontal texturing across the underside of the foot strap for grip. And of course with the toe post, giving you a look at the details of the toe post right there. And of course giving you some sense of the rubberiness of the foot strap. And of course there is a materials sticker there towards the back. And of course a printed Nike swoosh there. So actually let's take a look from the front to the back so you have the full details. And our usual presentation format from the front towards the back. And of course the side profile as well. And now giving you a look at the density and cushiness of the heel areas padding. Of course squeezing towards the end or tip so you have a better idea of that material. Okay, and now let's take a look at the underside or sole of the Thong 2. And we can see it does have a satin-like finish on the underside and these 2x2 rectangular blocks right throughout the length of the sole. And now taking a much closer in look at its details and finish. So you can see the channels and the channels or grooves within the blocks themselves, providing traction and grip for the wearer. Now giving you a look up close and dragging my finger along the sole so you can see, just to give you some idea. Pretty smooth right now, but obviously with wear that should open up. And now just pushing down and squeezing on the sole. So right there, giving you a look once again. This time around, of course, we're squeezing and showing you what it looks like from the underside or bottom. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some idea of the flexibility, firmness, stiffness or softness of the Nike Solarsoft Thong 2. And let's just put the sticker back on, right there. And now let's take a look at the right side of the Nike Solarsoft Thong 2, and this time round you can see the hang tag right there for the Thong 2. Now let's take a look at the reverse side or back of it. Okay, and now I'll give you a look at the right thong, so right there. And of course let's do a 360 rotation. And of course, close-up looks at the details of the thong. So on the outer side of the foot strap, once again we see the white on black Nike branding. And the overall details, once again, with the bottom of the thong. Now let's take a look at the pair side by side. And from the front to the back. And directly from the back. And the soles of the thongs or flip-flops. So that's the Nike Solarsoft Thong 2. Thanks for watching and happy walking!